Hi students, good morning. In the last class, we have discussed some problems related binomial theorem for objective problems. In this session, we are going to discussing some finite series problems in binomial theorem. Okay, let us start. Okay, see the problem. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n r into cr by cr minus 1. We have to find the value. Okay, see the solution. Here given expression, that is sigma r is equal to 0 to n r into cr by cr minus 1. So that is nothing but ncr by ncr minus 1. So this is the formula, ncr by ncr minus 1. That is sigma r is equal to 0 to r is equal to 1 to n. Here r into ncr by ncr minus 1, that is n minus r plus 1 by r. This is the formula, ncr by ncr minus 1, that is n minus r plus 1 by r. This r will be cancelled. So that is sigma r is equal to 1 to n minus r plus 1. So this is the series we are expanding. If r is equal to 1, then here minus 1 plus 1, that is n. If r is equal to 2, that is n minus 2 plus 1, that is n minus 1. Next r is equal to 3, that is n minus 2, and so on. In the last, if r is equal to n, minus n plus 1 is cancelled, we are getting 1. So this is the sum of n natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus and so on, n minus 1, n. So this is the sum of n natural numbers, that is sigma n, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. This is the value of the given expression. Sigma r is equal to 1 to n r into cr by cr minus 1. Value is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, see the problem. C0 by C1 by C0 plus 2 C2 by C1 plus 3 C3 by C2 and so on. 15 into C15 by C14. Now we have to find this finite series. So see the solution. So what is here given expression is that is C1 by C0 plus 2 into C2 by C1 plus 3 into C3 by C2 and so on. 15 into C15 by C14. Now we have to find this value. So this can be written as NC1 by NC0 plus 2 into NC2 by NC1 plus 3 into NC3 by NC2 and so on. 15 into NC15 by NC14. Now this is the NCR by NCR minus 1 using this formula, n minus r plus 1 by r. This is 2 into n minus r plus 1 by r, r is here 2, plus 3 into n minus r plus 1 by r, r is here 3, and so on, plus 15 into n minus r plus 1 by r, r is here 15. These will be cancelled. We are getting here, that is n plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. N here n minus 1, here n minus 2 and so on, here n minus 14. So here n minus 14. So here these are the terms of consecutive, sum of the consecutive terms. Here n number of consecutive terms. Here n is 15. The number of terms here 15 terms we are getting. Here n is 15. 15 into 15 plus 1, n into n plus 1 by 2, that is 15 into 16 by 2, that is 2 8s are, that is 15 8s are 120. So this is the value of the series. Okay, see the problem. If AR is the coefficient of x to the power of r in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, then we have to find a1 by a0 plus 2 into a2 by a1 plus 3 into a3 by a2 and so on n into an by an minus 1. Now I have to find this series. Okay, see the solution. So here the AR is the coefficient of x to the power of r in this expansion 1 plus x power n. So what is AR? That is x to the power of r coefficient in this equation. That is nothing but x to the power of r coefficient in 1 plus x whole power n is NCR. Okay, here r is 1, a naught, here r is naught. That is these are the coefficients. That means here a1 is here given that a1 by a naught plus 2 into a2 by a1 plus 3 into a3 by a2 and so on, n into an by an minus 1. Now we have to find this series. Here what is a1? Here AR is NCR. Okay. Now we are writing a1. R is 1. We are getting here NC1. R is 0. We are getting NC0. This is the series here NC1 by NC0, 2 into NC2 by NC1, 3 into NC3 by NC2 and so on. Here an is NCN by NCN minus 1. Now we are writing this is also we are done in previous, that is NC1 by NC0, that is NCR by NCR minus 1 form, that is n minus r plus 1 by r. Here 2 into n minus r plus 1 by r. Here also n minus r plus 1 by r. R is here 3 and so on. Here n into n minus n plus 1 by n. So these will be cancelled. We are getting here that is n, here n minus 1, here n minus 2 and so on. The last term is 1. This is the sum of n natural numbers, that is sigma n, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. So this is the value of the given finite series. Okay, see the another problem. Here C0 plus C1 into x by 2 plus C2 into x square by 3 plus 1 Cn into x power n by n plus 1. Now we have to find this series. See the solution. So we have taken let S is equal to, this is C0. That C0 can be written as NC0 plus NC1 into x by 2. Here this is C2, that is NC2, that is x square by 3 and so on, plus NCN x to the power of n by n plus 1. Now we are writing here NC0 is 1, here NC1 is n into x by 2, here NC2 n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into x square by 3 plus so on, NCN is 1 x power n by n plus 1. Now this can be written as here, this can be written as 1 plus n into n by, this is 2 factorial into x here. Here n into n minus 1 by, this is 2 factorial into 3 factorial into x square and so on. So this is 1 into x to the power of n by n plus 1. Okay, now this is the series here 2 factorial. In numerator we are getting 2 terms and here x power 2. So now we are multiplying with n plus 1 into x on both sides. Then this is n plus 1 into x plus n plus 1 into n, x into x, that is x square by 2 factorial. Here this is n plus 1 into n minus 1 by 3 factorial into here x into x square, that is x cube and so on. Here n plus 1 into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, this is the series. Now this is we are writing here, this is n plus 1 into x plus n plus 1 into n into x square by 2. Now we are adding 1 and subtracting in the last, that is n plus 1 into x by 1 factorial plus here n plus 1 into n into x square by 2 factorial plus so on plus n plus 1 x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 1. We are adding 1 and subtracting 1. So now this can be written as here n plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 c 1. Here 1 can be written as n plus 1 c naught, n plus 1 c naught. So this can be written as n plus 1 c naught plus n plus 1 c1 into x plus this is n plus 1 c2 into x square and so on. This can be written as n plus 1 c n plus 1 x power n plus 1 minus here 1. Okay, now this is the series here 1 plus x whole power n plus 1. So this is the series 1 plus x whole power n expansion. So this is the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n. So minus last term is minus 1. So therefore s is equal to, we are getting 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x. This is the value of the given series. Okay, see the problem here given that c naught plus c1 into 1 by 2 plus c2 into 1 by 3 and so on, cn into 1 by n plus 1. Now we are finding this value by using the formula in the above. We are writing what is c naught plus c1 into x by 2 plus c2 into x square by 3 and so on, cn into x to the power of n by n plus 1. This is the formula in the above problem we are discussing. 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x. So using this formula we are writing in this formula we are substitute put x is equal to 1 in this series. We are getting c naught plus c1 by 2 plus c2 by 3 and so on, cn by n plus 1, cn by n plus 1, that is equal to, here put x is equal to 1, here 1 plus 1, that is 2 to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, that is here n plus 1 into x is here substitute 1, then we are getting 2 to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. So this is the value of the given finite series. Okay, see the problem. C naught by 1 plus c2 by 3 plus c4 by 5 and so on. Now we have to finding this value. So that is here given series c naught by 1 plus c2 by 3 plus c4 by 5 and so on. Now this can be written as c naught is nc naught, here c2 is nc2 by 3, nc4 by 5 and so on. So what is c naught value is 1. Here c nc2 is n into n minus 1, n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial into 3. This is nc2 is n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. What is nc4? n into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 by that is 4 factorial into 5. This is the series. Here now we are writing multiplying and dividing with n plus 1. We are getting here n plus 1. So here n plus 1 into n minus 1 by 3 factorial. Here this is the n plus 1 into n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 by that is 4 factorial into 5, that is 5 factorial and so on. This is the series. Now this can be written as 1 by n plus 1, this is n plus 1 c1, this is n plus 1 c3, this is n plus 1 c5 and so on. We know that the formula sum of the odd suffixes of c1 plus c3, c5 and so on, this value is 2 to the power of n minus 1. Okay, using that formula we are writing this is 1 by n plus 1. Here this is the series 2 power, here n is n plus 1 minus 1. 2 to the power of, okay, this will be 1 is cancelled, here getting 2 to the power of n by n plus 1. This is the value of the given series C naught by 1 plus C2 by 3, C4 by 5 and so on. The value is 2 power n by n plus 1. Okay, okay, see the another problem. This is the C naught by 1 minus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 and so on minus 1 power n Cn by n plus 1. This is the given series. Now we have to find this series. So what is the formula is here, using the formula C naught into C1 into x by 2 plus C2 into x squared by 3, C3 into x cube by 4 and so on, Cn into x power n by n plus 1 is the formula in the previous we are deriving. This is the formula 1 plus x whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x. In that formula we are substitute put x is equal to minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 1 in this series. We are getting here C naught. Here x is minus 1, that is minus C1 by 2. Plus here minus 1 whole square is plus, we are getting C2 by 3. Here we are getting minus that is C3 by 4 and so on. And so on. Here that is x is minus 1, that is minus 1 power n Cn by n plus 1, that is equal to, what is the, this is the required series we are asking. Here n x is minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 whole power n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into x is minus 1. Here this is 0, that is minus 1 by minus of n plus 1. We are getting here plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is the value of the given series C naught by 1 minus C1 by 2 plus C2 by 3 and so on minus 1 power n Cn by n plus 1, value is 1 by n plus 1. Okay.